Hi and welcome to my first tutorial on making a games console with the Raspberry Pi. In this video I will guide you through the initial steps for setting up the Raspbian operating system. But first off, we must go to the raspberrypi.org website. Go to the download section. We want Raspbian, but as you can see there's quite a choice here. We have Ubuntu Mate, Windows 10, Snappy Ubuntu Core. Well, we want the Raspbian. So click on it and we're brought into the next page. We want the full desktop image, not just the light, but the Raspbian Jessie. So download the zip. We want to save the file, so select OK, and our download shall begin. This may take a while, as you can see, but off we go anyway. Okay, when the download is completed, you should have a nice zipped file of the image. Just for ease here now, I brought it onto my desktop, so we simply just right click it and extract all. The default will send the extracted files to my desktop. I'm happy enough with that. If you want to change the destination, just select browse and then select wherever you want to go. Well, I'm happy enough, so I'll just extract it all here. So off goes the process. It'll tell me now in a minute how long it's actually going to take. It'll take a little while, a couple of minutes maybe. But there we go, 3 minutes. So not too bad. Okay, once the extraction has completed, you can see it here. You know, we have a nice image there of the Raspbian Jessie operating system. The next stage is to write it to an SD card. So here you must insert the SD card into the card writer. I've already done that. Just check to make sure which drive it's on. Here it's F. If you're going to write anything to it, make sure you don't write it to your C drive or D drive, because you'll start losing data, and if you lose your operating system on your computer, you could be in big trouble. But we know mine's F. So I'm using Win32 disk imager. I've had no problems with it at all, and I'm quite happy to use it now. So if you get the user account control, select yes, and off we go. So we know the device that I want to write to is the F, so just make sure that device says F. Now we must navigate to the image file, which is on my desktop. So go to desktop, into the Raspbian Jessie folder, and then select the image. Select open, and there we go. It's filled up the box there. Right. What we need to do now is write to the device, because we're writing onto the SD card. So select write. You should get a warning there just to make sure that you know that you're doing something. Double check that you've got the right drive, that you're all happy with it. When you're happy, select yes. This will take a little while, of course, but it's very worth it in the end. So okay, sometime later, we're nearly done now, 98%. 99, just about ready, and we're done. Yeah, the write was successful, so that's all looking good. Grand. So let's just have a quick look at the disk. Boot F. 40 megabytes. Everything looks pretty good there. Not that I could really tell much. All that remains now is to eject the SD card. So right click it, eject. There you go. Safe to remove hardware. All done. Okay, so that's the Raspbian operating system wrote onto the SD card. So it's all ejected now, and we're ready now to actually build the games console with the Raspberry Pi, and that's all coming up now in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I shall see you all again soon.